Colorful eye makeup tutorial. First, apply primer. Make sure if your skin is dry, then use only oil-based primer. I am using NC35 in Krylon base. You can also write down the natural skin tone color number. With the use of blending brush, blend it. Then use loose powder, put it on the foundation. Spread it. And take out the extras. Then use makeup fixer spray. And let it dry. With the use of eyebrow brush, shape your eyebrow first. After that, start making line with the use of dark blue color. Start with outer area of eye. You can keep doing practice of color mixing, so it will help you in eye color shading. Mixing the dark blue color with dark green color. Take purple and mix it upward of blue. Then mix pink with purple color. Next, take bright pink. Then orange color. And then yellow in inner eye. At the inner eye corner, put some glitter. Then take a clean liner brush and dip into white gel eyeliner. Start making W from outer corner of eye. And make socket line. Then take eyelashes. Now it's turn off under eye. Start putting color as same sequence. Putting color form outer area of eye. Sequence is green plus blue plus purple plus pink plus orange plus yellow. Then use white kajal pencil and mascara. And it's done. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe my YouTube channel.